Oh yeah, we're in line for, what's this place called, B? The ball pit? Yes?
Yes!
Where are you at?
Urban Air.
Adventure Park? Urban Air Adventure Park, right? Okay. Wow, they got basketball players. Daddy's gonna video you walking past, okay? Okay? Oh no.
Oh, come on, dude. It's too early to fail. That's an easy one right here. Oh yeah. Basketball se puede jugar outside.
Like that, KB? Walk like that, okay?
I don't know, bro.
I did.
You haven't been downstairs? Haven't been downstairs the second day?
Which one you want to try, babe? You want to try the last one? You want to try the last one? Or this one? The first one? You don't want the last one? Is it too hard? Yes?
Mr. Cheese.
It's too hard?